In box and whisker plots, this is exercise 8, box and whisker plot. What you have to do, that you have to need 5 things over here. You should know that what is your median. We will find in this one the median. Then we will find the lower quartile, and then we will find out the upper quartile, and then we will find out the lowest value, and the maximum value. Lowest value and the maximum value. Okay. After finding these 5 numbers in the data, you can plot the graph. So let's start with the first question. The question number 1 is, illustrate each of the data using a box plot and state the median and interquartile range. You have to tell that what is the median and what is the interquartile range. Yes, let's start the question number 1, A part. The data is given to us 9, 18, 1, 8, 10, 8, 6, and 4. What you have to do, the very first step, that you have to arrange your data. When you are going to arrange your data, so your data will be in this way. 1, we have 1, then the next one is the 4, then the next one is the 6. After that, 8 is coming 2 times. 8 is coming 2 times. Then after that, there is 9, then there is 10, and then the last number is 18. Fine. As we want to find out the median, lower quartile, and upper quartile. Fine, beta. So we know the median. What is the median? The median is a central value, as I explained you in the previous lessons. Let me check how many numbers these are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The total numbers are 8. So 8 is even number or odd number? Ji beta, even number. So if it is even number, so go for the same formula that what you know for the even number of the median, that we will write n over 2, that value in the data, and n over 2 plus 1, that value in the data. They are 8 over 2 in value in the data, and then 8 over 2 plus 1 value in the data. It will be 4th value, and this will be the 5th value, because the median is a 4th and 5th value. Let me check in the data. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4th value, and this is the 5th value. So if I want to find out the median of this data, the median is going to be 8 plus 8 divided by 2. This is 16 by 2, and my median is coming 8. This is the answer for the median. As you know, when the data is even data and the median is coming in between these two numbers, then what you have to do for lower and upper quartile, you have to divide your data, like take this one value to the lower half and take this other value to the upper half. If the data is even data, I'm talking about the even data. When the data is even data, what you have to do, that you have to, because our median is coming between, so one value I took to the lower values and one to the upper half. One to the lower half and one to the upper half. Now I want to find out the Q1. Q1 is a central value of the lower half. So again, if I count the values, 1, 2, 3, 4 values are there. There is no central value. So I will definitely add these 2 values and divide by 2 for the lower quartile. So my Q1 is equal to 4 plus 6 divided by 2. So this is 10 over 2. My Q1 is 5. Q1 is 5. The same thing I have to do with the upper quartile. How to find out the upper quartile? Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, even numbers are there. I am not getting any exact central value in the data. So for what I will do, I will just add these 2 middle values and find out the Q3. Q3 is 9 plus 10 divided by 2. It is 19 over 2. 10 plus 9 is 19 over 2. Yes, beta. 19 over 2. And then after that, what we have to do, that I have to divide it. 19 divided by 2 is how much? 19 divided by 2 It is 9.5. It is 9.5. Actually, you have to take the average of the two central values. We are taking average of two central values. Then we can say the 1 is the least value. 1 is our least value. And 18 is our greatest value, the maximum value. Fine. After that, what we have to do, that now we have to plot the box and whisker. We have to plot the box and whisker. You have to see that how many number range you have. You have the range of the numbers from 1 to 18. 1 to 18. So you can just draw the line from 1 to 18, a straight line you have to draw. I'm going to draw a line over here like this. Fine. And then on that line, I just plot the numbers. Like my line is starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay. Now start plotted all these values. Well, how you have to plot them? Where is your median? Where is your median in the data? What's your median answer? The median answer is 8. Median answer is 8. Above the point 8, you have to draw a line. This is your median. What is your Q1? The Q1 is 5. 5 above the point 5, you have to draw a line. Fine. Horizontal, that you have to draw a vertical line. Then what is your Q3? 9.5. It is coming between 10 and 11. It is here, 9.5. Fine. Now what you have to do, that you have to draw a box around it.
Isn't 9.5 between 9 and 10?
Oh, sorry. It is 9 and 10 here. Let me draw it again. 9.5 is here. Fine. Now you have to complete a box over there. It is a box. Fine. But after completing this box represents that this central line is your median. This line is your Q1 and this line is your Q3. Now we have to show that you have to draw your starting and ending point of the data. So this is my starting point, this one. From this point, I just draw a line to the box over here. And then from the last point is 18. From 18 point also, you have to draw a box over here. Sorry, my lines are not coming accurate. You have to draw it like this. Up to 18. Let me redraw this one also. That you have to draw the line from here to here. The line is like this. Clear? And here you just have to mark that this is your starting point and this is starting and ending point. Clear? If you want to label, you can, that this is your Q1, this is your Q1, this is your Q3, and this is your median, and median we are representing even with the Q2. So the box and whisker is done.